Hello learners, welcome back on the class of fluid mechanics. So I hope you all are safe and doing well. So in the previous discussion we have seen the fluid kinematics, and in fluid kinematics we have seen the general equation of continuity equation, and after that four special cases I have discussed of the continuity equation, and after that I have discussed what is the velocity potential function and what is stream function, and before that I have discussed the angular velocity in x, y and z direction, and after that I have discussed the condition of rotationality or irrotationality. Today I am going to discuss some Cauchy-Riemann equation, and after that few problems based on the continuity equation, velocity potential, stream function and vorticity. So today I will discuss the Cauchy-Riemann equation, and after that a few problems based on the velocity potential and stream function. So before that I will discuss what is Cauchy-Riemann equation. So we know that for irrotational flow, u is equal to minus del phi by del x and v is equal to minus del phi by del y, and similarly the stream function u is equal to and v is equal to del psi by del x. So we can write minus del phi by del x is equal to minus del psi by del y, or we can write del phi by del x is equal to del psi by del y, and similarly del phi by del x, del phi by del y is equal to del psi by del x. So this is our Cauchy-Riemann equation. Cauchy equation. So let us take some problems based on the velocity potential and stream function. A two-dimensional steady incompressible flow field is given by v is equal to 3xy into I plus 3 by 2 x square minus 3 by 2 y square into j. So this is the x component of the velocity 3xy, and 3 by 2 x square minus 3 by 2 y square is the y component. Find the velocity potential and stream function. So for the given velocity field we have to compute the velocity potential and stream function. So we can write u is equal to 3xy and v is equal to 3 by 2 x square minus 3 by 2 y square. So firstly we have to check whether flow is possible or not. So flow can be checked by continuity equation. for two-dimensional incompressible flow, del u by del x plus del v by del y. Del u by del x is 3y plus del v by del y means 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into 2y, and it is 0 means flow is possible. Flow is possible. Or we can check the flow is irrotational, so omega z is equal to 1 by 2 del v by del x minus del u by del y. 1 by 2 del v by del x. Del v by del x is 3x and del v by del y is 3x, so it is 0 means flow is irrotational. We have to compute the velocity, potential and stream function. So we know that u is equal to minus del phi by del x, or we can write minus del phi by del x is equal to 3xy, or del phi is equal to 3xy dx. So phi is equal to 3x square y by 2 plus fy plus c, and this is equation number first. Similarly, we can write minus del phi by del y is equal to v. So del phi is equal to 3 by 2 y square minus 3 by 2 x square into del y, integrating on both sides, so it is 3 by 2 y cube by 3 means it is y cube by 2 minus 3 by 2 x square y plus fx plus c, and this is our equation number second. With the help of equation first and second, by equation first and second, by equation first and second, phi is equal to minus 3x square y by 2 plus y cube by 2 plus c. So this is our velocity potential function. Similarly, stream function can be computed. So for stream function, we know that flow is possible and flow is irrotational, already checked. So u is equal to minus del psi by del y, or minus del psi by del y is equal to 3xy. So del psi is equal to minus 3xy dy. So psi is equal to minus 3xy square by 2 plus fx plus c. This is our first equation. Similarly, v is equal to del psi by del x, and v is 3 by 2 x square minus 3 by 2 y square is equal to del psi by del x. So del psi is equal to 3 by 2 x square minus 3 by 2 y square into del x, integrating on both sides. So psi is equal to 3 by 2 x cube by 3 means x cube by 2 minus 3 by 2 x y square plus fy plus c, and this is our equation number second. By equation first and second, we can write psi is equal to x cube by 2 minus 3 by 2 xy square plus c. So this is our stream function. Let us take another question, and this is based on the assertion reason. A stream function psi is equal to minus 2/3 x cube y square minus 3 by 2 x square y cube. This is our stream function, represents a two-dimensional rotational field. This is our assertion in the question, and this for the reason is given. Reason the function satisfies continuity equation and vorticity is 0. So the assertion and reason is given. So for such type of question, there are 4 possibilities. Both assertion and reason are individually true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option B, both assertion and reason are individually true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. And option C, assertion is true but reason is false. And option D, assertion is false but reason is true. Solution: assertion is given. Stream function is equal to minus 2/3 of x cube y square minus 3 by 2 x square y square. And assertion for the given stream function, two-dimensional rotational flow field. So rotational flow field represents, firstly I have to check the rotational velocity in any direction, and it should not be equal to 0. So we know that u is equal to minus del psi by del y. So it is 4 by 3 x cube y plus 9 by 2 x square y square. Similarly, we know that del psi by del x. So del psi by del x is minus 2 x square y square minus 3 x y cube. So we have computed the velocity in x and y direction, and we can know that rotational velocity or angular velocity in the z direction is 1 by 2 del v by del x minus del u by del y. So if I compute del v by del x is minus 4xy square minus 3y cube, and del u by del y is minus 4x square y minus 9xy square. So vorticity, if I compute the rotational velocity, so 1 by 2 del v by del x is minus 4xy square minus 3y cube minus del u by del x plus 4x square y plus 9xy square. so it is not equal to 0. If rotational velocity or angular velocity in any direction is not equal to 0, means our flow is rotational. Means assertion is correct. For the given stream function, the flow is two-dimensional, flow is rotational. Now I have to check reason. What is saying in the reason, or what is the statement given in the reason? So in the reason it is given the function satisfy continuity equation. So firstly I have to check continuity equation del u by del x plus del v by del y. So continuity equation for two-dimensional del u by del x plus del v by del y, and it should be equal to 0. So del u by del x is 4x square y plus 9xy square plus del v by del y. So del v by del y is minus 4x square y minus del v by del y is 9xy square. So it is coming 0. Means continuity equation is satisfied. Del u by del x plus del v by del y is equal to 0. And vorticity I have to check. So vorticity, we know that vorticity is equal to 2 times the angular velocity. So vorticity is equal to 2 times omega z, and as I told you earlier that omega z is not equal to 0, means it is not equal to 0, means vorticity is not equal to 0. So reason is incorrect. The function satisfy continuity equation and vorticity is 0, but here vorticity is not equal to 0, so our option C is correct. Assertion is correct, but reason is false. So option C is correct for this question. So another question I have taken, that is also asked in civil services examination. In a three-dimensional incompressible flow, the velocity component in x and y direction are u is equal to 2x square plus z square plus 6 and v is equal to y square plus 2z square plus 7. What is the velocity component in its z direction? Our options are 2xz plus twice yz plus function of xy, twice yz plus 4yz plus function of xy, 4xz plus twice yz plus function of xy, and our last option minus 4xz plus twice yz plus function of xy. So for three-dimensional incompressible flow, we know that continuity equation del u plus del u by del x plus del v by del y plus del w by del z is equal to 0. So del u by del x is 4x plus del v by del y is twice y plus del w by del z is equal to 0. Or we can write del w by del z is equal to minus 4x minus twice y, or del w is equal to minus 4x minus twice y minus 4x minus twice y into del z. So del w integral of minus 4x minus twice y into del z. So w is equal to minus 4xz minus twice yz, and this is the function of xy. So this is our last option. D is correct. Our D option minus 4xz minus twice yz plus function of xy. So this is the another question asked by the civil services examination. A steady two-dimensional flow field vector is described by the function v is equal to ax minus by into I plus minus cx plus 3dy into j, where a, b, c, d are constants. What is the condition for this flow field to be irrotational? And our options are a is equal to minus 1.5 times d, a is equal to 1.5 times d in option B, and option C b is equal to minus c, and option D b is equal to c. So this is the two-dimensional flow field in xy direction. So the rotation in xy direction is rotational component in xy direction, that is omega z is equal to 1 by 2 del v by del x minus del u by del y. And if this component, since in the question flow is irrotational, means omega z must be equal to 0. So we can write rotation in xy plane, rotation in xy plane, that is w omega z is equal to 1 by 2 del v by del x minus del u by del y, and velocity is given ax minus by into I plus minus cx plus 3 dy into j, means u is equal to ax minus by and v is equal to minus cx plus 3 dy. So we can compute del u by del y is equal to minus b, and del v by del x is equal to minus c. So omega z is equal to 1 by 2 del v by del x minus c minus del u by plus b. And for the rotational flow, for irrotational flow, omega z must be equal to 0, means 1 by 2 minus c plus b is equal to 0, means b is equal to c. So the D option is correct. So dear student, today I have discussed what is Cauchy-Riemann equation. So I have written the Cauchy-Riemann equation in terms of velocity, potential and stream function. After that, I have solved few problems based on the continuity equation, velocity, potential, stream function and vorticity. So in the first problem, the question is based on assertion and reason. So in assertion, stream function is given, so we have to check whether the flow is irrotational or rotational. So once the stream function is given, so we can compute the velocity component in x and y direction, that is u is equal to minus del psi by del y and v is equal to del psi by del x. Once we have computed the u and v, so rotational component in xy plane can be computed, that is omega z is equal to 1 by 2 del v by del x minus del u by del y, and we have checked that this value is, if 0, then flow is our rotational, otherwise rotational. And the second, in the reason, the statement is given the stream function follows the continuity equation and the vorticity is 0. So we have checked whether if the continuity equation for two-dimensional flow, that is del u by del x plus del v by del y is 0, then our this is follow the continuity equation and vorticity is not equal to 0. In the second problem, a three-dimensional flow is given, that is u and v is given, so we have to compute the velocity component in z direction. So just it is very simple that for incompressible flow, continuity equation is del u by del x plus del v by del y plus del w by del z, and with the help of that we can compute the velocity component in z direction. In third question, the velocity is given, and in terms of ABCD, where ABCD are constant, so we have to compute the relation between A, B, C and D if our flow is irrotational. So once again, for the irrotationality, our rotational component in z direction should be 0, and we have computed the relation between A, B, C and D. So in the next class, I will discuss another new chapter, that is fluid dynamics. So take care of your health and happy learning.